What's up everybody? So I wanted to put up a quick clip of the B-roll footage from Fran's shoot with stills and information on what we were doing. So enjoy the video, and then right at the end of the video I will put more information about what we did and why we did what we did. Enjoy. I wanted to put this video up as a sample footage and photos towards what the X-T30 can do. So I took my X-T30, took my Fujifilm 23mm f2, and then one GODOX AD200 with the small pop-up, I don't know if it's here, small pop-up beauty dish thing. And then we shot on Eastgate's rooftop, and we just took some pictures, and it was just fun. It was a test kind of thing. So the video and the photos are both done on the Fuji X-T30. The video I think was 1080, yeah, it was 1080p because we shot in slow-mo all the way. 120 frames a second. All at f2. I want to see how this comes out. I haven't done me talking to the camera video in a while. Yeah, so other thing I got is I got a Lilliput 4K HDMI monitor, so I can see what I'm doing when I'm filming this. Let me video it for you. So that's the little monitor over there. And then, that's a lume cube with a piece of wax paper. And then that's a lume cube for a kicker light. And then that's the new light I've got from Mark, which I don't know if you guys remember, but I did a video with Francesca before where I only used that light. So that's like version 2. So we're still working on those just for fun. But anyway, I've just been wanting to put up these behind the scenes shots, and I mean stuff I shoot in between. So it's all B-roll with the X-T30. Otherwise, that's it. Enjoy the video clip. Let me know what you think. Please comment. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you want to see, who you want me to photograph. If you've got any, I've got a few Fuji lenses now, so maybe if you want to see samples of those. And thanks for all the comments up to now. It's been growing quite a bit. I've been enjoying it. If you have any questions, please comment. I like all the comments. I try to reply to every single person. So far, people have been quite chuffed with it. We are almost at the 1,000 subscriber mark, which will be great and a big milestone for me. So please keep subscribing. Please keep commenting. Like, subscribe. If you don't like it, hit that one. But please support. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I shall see you guys in the next one. Peace.